everyone. So I just wanted to make like pretty much a quick video about my disappearance. I am taking a business of filmmaking and like producing course, right? And it's because I want to shoot a pilot. I'm doing a lot. So because of that, I had to like work a lot so I could take off this like 1 month and a couple of weeks probably. The program is 1 month and I want to shoot my pilot like immediately after. So, you know, God willing, it works out, but I needed that time. And then I use my free time to like look for apartments. Oh, yes. Also, I'm staying in Lagos. I had a serious talk with a couple of media people and they're like, what are you doing? So they made me see that I really need to stay in Lagos versus moving to Abuja. So I'm doing apartment hunting and it's wild. Like the apartment search right now is insane. It's insane. So I will discuss that in another video. And then soon I also partnered with Get Equity. So very soon you're going to be seeing 5 interviews from me with people with tech startup companies that are currently raising funds right now, right? So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. Expect those videos. So much is happening. I'm super excited. I'm doing very well. Even though Nigeria is getting wild, I am completely fine. And yeah, so all these videos are coming. Video about my apartment search and questions you need to ask landlords before you even apply to live in a place, and what I'm seeing on the market, why I'm staying in Lagos versus moving to Abuja, and the interviews with Get Equity are coming soon. So I just want you to expect everything. I'm doing well. I'm doing fine. I'm doing better than fine. This course is just eye-opening for me. It's in Victoria Island, and yeah, it's kind of an investment, and then I have to stay here the entire month. So it's, at first I was a little bit worried because I was like, this is a heavy investment. What if I'm not very interested? But pretty much from the first day, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is wonderful. I'm supposed to be doing this. I'm just super excited about it. So yeah, that's it. I just want to give you guys an update and tell you I am doing well. I am fine. I am okay. And also, yeah, I dyed my hair. It's time for a change. I'm tired of being boring. So yeah. Bye now.